Hello guys, today I want to test with you one life hack from TikTok where I saw it. So the life hack is that you need to use color correctors to look your face more fresh and whatever. So I want to make one side of my face with regular foundation, concealer and other stuff, and other side I will do with these color correctors. I have very old color correctors, so they are really old. Like, look at the packaging. It's from Essence. We're gonna try it. I think I got this color concealer palette like as a gift in one of the beauty store shops. So I have used it one time when I was making a video where I was mixing all of them. It was a little bit funny because I added a lot of green color and my face looked like Shrek. So I want to show you on my arm when you mix this four colors. It literally look like skin foundation or something like that. I don't see anything really well, but okay, nothing has changed, but it become more yellow. I think I should add more this light violet or lavender color, but today I will use only three colors because, as I understood, this lavender color just naturalizes the yellow tones in your skin. I don't have really them, so I will be using only these three colors. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a lot of redness on my skin. Also, I have dark shadows under my eye. I will try to fix them. So this side will be with color correctors. I hope we will see the difference because it's really interesting. Let's get started. I think I will blend everything, like every color corrector, with my fingers. It will be more easier. So I added a little bit of green here where I have redness, and yeah, there I put orange color. I decided to add a little bit of light yellow color to like balance them, and also I added a little bit of lavender color because I think it will be look more natural if I will add this color. So now we should blend it. So I have blended out. As you can see, the skin looks a little bit better. There is no more a lot of redness on my skin. I don't know, can you see it on the camera, but I have a lot of redness here, and for now I can see the difference. But wait until I will put my foundation and I will compare is it working or not. So I have done to put my foundation, and I haven't used any powder to see the real effect. So on this side I have foundation and concealer, here we have color correctors, foundation and concealer, and I want to show you, like, you can see a little bit of redness here. I hope on the camera you will see it. And here is like skin more flat. You can't see any shadows on my face. I would like to rate this method like 5 out of 10. I like it, but I think this is not really good concealer palette because it's really old. Like, I don't have any labels here. And the texture of these correctors, it's not good. It's not smooth. You cannot really nicely apply it to your face. If you know any good color concealers palettes, write please in the comments and I will buy it and try one more time, maybe in some short TikTok video. I hope that will work because for now I see that this side looks more or less good, but there is no big difference. There is a little bit of difference. So that was a small video about color concealers. If you have any advice, suggestions to me, please write in the comments. I would like to read them. I hope you enjoy it, you have some fun, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye!